Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and to my new releases video for May. Yes, it is May. Today I have several new releases, mostly wedding themed. I am getting married in a few weeks, nearly 2 weeks when you're seeing this video, so I couldn't not do some wedding theme overlays, and I know a few other people are going to weddings or getting married themselves this year, so I thought this would be something good for people. I also have 2 new journaling kits. This is going to be the last new release for a little while. I'm certainly not going to be releasing anything in June because of the wedding, and I may or may not do a release in July. It kind of depends. I've got quite a lot on immediately after the wedding, so we'll see how things go. But without any further ado, let's get on with it and I'll show you the new releases. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is the different full box options in the wedding theme. So I've got them on all foil colours to show you. So this is in gold, so you get these are your confetti rings, so you've got dangling from the top and bottom, all the way around, and 2 corners, and then you get 3 I do headers and 3 ring headers, so you get a little sneak of those there. So that's gold, silver, rose gold and holographic, which, hang on 1 second. And there's the holographic. Sorry, I have my lights in different ways for the 2 foils because this creates more of a shadow, but it also shows off the holo better. So anyway, this is the Doodle Boxes. So you've got a just married script, a suit and a dress. I will be... If people want them, you can just drop a note to seller for 2 dresses or 2 suits. Just leave a note to seller. You've got the rings in the corner, and then you've got this heart which says I do, I do, I do, I do, I do over and over again, just like that. And then you have your same headers, so you've got the I do headers and the rings at the bottom. So that's in the silver, rose gold, and again the holo there. Then these are a new thing. This is double box options. So you've got the 2 corners covered here, or you've got like top and bottom. So this is like 2 double boxes. They are separate full boxes because that's how most people do double boxes, but you could shove them right together if you want to. And then again, so this is just the double box options there if you don't want to cut up foil overlays. So there those. Okay, so that is the full box options. Next up, I'll show you the header options. You've already kind of seen them anyway. So first up, you've got this I do. So it just says I do over and over and over and over again. And I've done them so that there is at least like 1 full line of I do on each glitter header overlay. I love these. They are just such a full pattern. I adore it so much. So that's the gold, silver there, rose gold, and your holographic. But just look at that holo. Oh, I love my holo so much. Beautiful. Then you have the rings, and this is just ring confetti all the way through. So that's your gold, silver, rose gold, and again the gorgeous, gorgeous holo. Last but not least, we have the corners. So you still have this sheet has changed a little bit. You still have your 2 big ones, 6 medium ones, and 4 small ones, but you then also have another copy of the 2 small ones up at the top to fit in. So there's 1/2 in the 2 big ones, in the middle of the 2 big ones, and then another little one in the middle. I'll try and do that where possible, just to get you as much stickers for your sheet as I can. So that's the gold, silver, rose gold, and holographic. So that is all of the header and full box overlay options. I also have the bottom washi. So these come in both a 15 and a 30mm. So it's just the ring confetti again. So that's your gold, silver, rose gold, and holo. And again, exactly the same, but your 30mm, and these are cut for standard vertical planners. So it's split there, but you can use the extra bit. So there's a tiny gap, and then there's your sidebar bit. But if you want to keep it full, you can use it all the way across. And like put the silver randomly the right way up and nothing else. Then you have the silver there, rose gold, and holographic. Beautiful. Then last but not least, for the wedding collection, we have the Tinies. So this is 3 different sizes of tiny. So you get the gold here, So that's the gold. You get the silver there. So you get 3 different sizes. Let me just bring this sheet up close. You get 3 different sizes, 1, 2 and 3, and you get those all twice, and then you get a final row of the big ones, because obviously there's a cross on the big ones. So that's rose gold, and then your hollow as well. Oh, I love hollow so much. It's so gorgeous. And then last but not least for this release, we have some journaling kits. So we've got 2 new journaling kits, and if I do a release in June, it's probably just going to be journaling kits. So this one hasn't got a matching cover yet, but this is Cat Cafe, or matching covers. This is Cat Cafe. To be fair, there's not that many like cafe elements. There's a couple, so there's like a cake and the coffee and stuff. I'm just trying to, so this is the difference, and this is the actual difference between the clear matte and premium matte. So as I said in my last video, the premium matte colours are just a little bit more vibrant, you just get a little bit more muted on the clear matte, but the print quality is gorgeous on both of them. It just depends whether you want that like slightly brighter or that slightly more dulled pattern. So you get your strips and your lots of different bits and pieces. So you've got little details, like you've got a cat toy on there, you've got some paws, the middle bit, this tiny bit is cut out of the sticker, so the cat paws have a hole in them. You've got some drinks and some cat toys and stuff there, and then various cats as well. So that's Pet Party. And then Bumble is this one here. This one, so you can tell on camera, but this is like a very dark green. It looks a little bit more green in person than it does on the thing, and it definitely, like, on both of them it is very definitely green, but it's like more green on the premium and slightly like less green, I don't know how to explain that, on the clear matte and transparent matte. So yeah, you can just see the vibrance is just slightly different on the 2 sheets, but that is Bumble, and that is all of the new releases. Okay, so that is just a little look at everything coming to the shop that is live now. Let me know in the comments down below what you're going to pick up. Obviously, if you're not going to a wedding or getting married, these aren't necessarily appropriate to you, but I hope you love them anyway. Thank you for watching this video. Comment like down below if you enjoyed it. I'm just going to give you a foil wiggle to end. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!